everyone, welcome back to my channel again, Nalia Chrissy. My video for today is about naman pork. I'm going to make pork adobo with a twist. Watch my video until end so you will know what is the twist I am going to do to my adobo. I want to slice the meat first into big chunks like that. So this is about 1 1/4 kilo, and I'm going to slice this into 4. Guys, I take the top side, then I ask to take off the skin because I don't really want to have skin on my adobo. I'm going to make it only 4 slices because magmumukbang ako. I'm going to use this for mukbang. And my son, he said he doesn't like to come with me as my guest in my mukbang because he don't eat pork. If he don't know, he don't eat. Okay guys, I have here my bowl. I'm going to put first the garlic. I'm using lemongrass, that's why I take off the skin of the garlic. So this is lemongrass. I squeeze the end of the lemongrass. My laurel or bay leaves. Soy sauce, about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Going to add a little bit of sugar. Mix together. I'm going to add the meat. Marinate this overnight and cook tomorrow. The following day, you're gonna have a very nice adobo. Cover this with plastic wrap. I'm going to use 2 hands, guys. Put pepper. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate overnight. See you on my mukbang, guys. I'm going to continue now my adobo. I roasted this a while ago for about less than hour. Nalo ko na dyan yung juice. And then the marinated last night. I'm going to mix it now. Add about 1/2 cup of water. And then I'm going to add the cream, the cooking cream later. Lutuin na natin siya, guys. Until siya ma-cook totally. This is already half cooked. This is already tender. Just need to cook about 1/2 hour. Guys, look at this. My creamy adobo is already cooked. And look at the sauce, the gravy. Oh, it's so yummy. Gusto ko na kumain. Pero imumukbang ko ito, guys. Look at that! Ito na siya, friends. Yummy, yummy. And it's very juicy and creamy. See you on my mukbang, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!